Welcome to Japan, an island nation in East Asia, renowned for its unique blend of modern innovation and deep-rooted tradition. Spanning a vast arc across the western Pacific Ocean, Japan boasts over 6,800 islands. However, its four main islands, Honshu, Hokkaido, Kyushu, and Shikoku, are home to most of its population and attractions. Today, we're exploring the best tourist attractions in Japan, from world-famous landmarks to hidden gems you may not know about. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear idea of what to add to your Japan bucket list. But before we start, I'm curious, what's the one place in Japan you've always dreamed of visiting? Let me know in the comments. Located in Honshu, about 100 kilometers southwest of Tokyo, Mount Fuji is Japan's tallest peak, standing at 3,776 meters. It is an iconic symbol of the nation and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The official climbing season runs from early July to early September. 4 main trails lead to the summit, with the Yoshida Trail being the most popular. It features rest stations and stunning views at sunrise, known as Goraiko. The Chiredo Pagoda, an iconic 5-story pagoda located in Arakuriyama Sengen Park, offers one of the best views of Mount Fuji, especially during cherry blossom season. Even for those who don't wish to climb, the mountain's base offers stunning views and activities. Surrounding Mount Fuji are 5 serene lakes: Kawaguchi, Yamanaka, Sai, Motosu, and Shoji. These lakes offer excellent views of the mountain, particularly at Lake Kawaguchi, which is perfect for photographers, especially during the cherry blossom and autumn foliage seasons. Nearby, the Kawaguchiko Music Forest Museum combines scenic beauty with art and music displays. Fushimi Inari Taisha is one of Japan's most iconic shrines, known for its thousands of vermilion torii gates that form scenic tunnels up Mount Inari. Each torii gate is donated by individuals or businesses, with inscriptions marking the donor's name and wishes. Established in 711, it's dedicated to Inari, the Shinto god of rice and prosperity. The pathways stretch up Mount Inari, with the entire hike taking around 2 to 3 hours. Stone fox statues, kitsune, believed to be messengers of Inari, are found throughout the shrine, often holding keys in their mouths, symbolizing access to granaries. Along the trail, you'll find smaller shrines and scenic overlooks. Yotsutsuji intersection offers a panoramic view of Kyoto, making it a great rest stop. There are also tea shops offering local delicacies like Inari sushi. The best time to visit is early morning or late afternoon to avoid crowds and enjoy the tranquil atmosphere. Located in the mountains of Nagano Prefecture, Jigokadani is a unique wildlife experience where you can observe Japanese macaques, also known as snow monkeys, soaking in natural hot springs. These monkeys have adapted to the harsh winters by warming themselves in geothermal pools. The sight of steam rising from the baths with monkeys lounging is both amusing and fascinating. The best time to visit is between December and March when the area is blanketed in snow. The monkeys' interactions and behavior are most charming during this season. The Great Buddha of Kamakura, or Kamakura Daibutsu, is a towering 13-meter bronze statue of Amida Buddha located at Kotoku-in Temple. Cast in 1252, it has withstood natural disasters, including typhoons and earthquakes, that destroyed the temple structures around it. Originally gilded in gold, traces of this can still be seen on the statue's surface. Visitors can even step inside the statue to view its hollow interior, which showcases the craftsmanship of the time. Kamakura itself is a charming coastal city, with other attractions like Hazadera Temple and Tsurugaoka Hachimangu Shrine. Located on Miyajima Island near Hiroshima, Itsukushima Shrine is best known for its floating torii gate. The shrine is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a marvel of engineering and spirituality. At high tide, the gate appears to float on water, creating an ethereal scene. At low tide, visitors can walk up to the gate and explore its massive wooden structure up close. Miyajima is home to tame deer that roam freely, adding a touch of charm to the island experience. A short ferry ride from Hiroshima takes you to the island. It's a perfect day trip, combining history and natural beauty. Located in the heart of Nara Prefecture, Nara Park is famous for its free-roaming deer, which are considered sacred in Shinto tradition. They are considered sacred messengers of the Shinto gods. Visitors can purchase special rice crackers, shikasenbei, to feed the deer. Within the park is Todaiji Temple, a monumental Buddhist temple built in 752. Its Great Buddha Hall, Daibutsuden, houses one of the largest bronze statues of Buddha in the world, standing 15 meters tall. The temple is also an architectural marvel, with its massive wooden structure being one of the largest in existence. Want to add a little spirituality to your travels? Plan a visit to Kyu-Kanegi 5-storied pagoda and be at peace in the calm atmosphere. The Kyu-Kanegi 5-storied pagoda, located in Ueno Park, Tokyo, is a magnificent remnant of the once Grand Kanegi Temple complex. Founded in the early 17th century by Tokugawa Iemitsu, the temple served as a spiritual guardian of the Tokugawa shogunate and was modeled after Kyoto's Enryaku-ji. The pagoda, first built in 1631 and rebuilt in 1639, is a classic example of Edo period Buddhist architecture. Though much of the original Kanegi temple was destroyed during the Boshin War of 1868, a conflict central to Japan's Meiji Restoration, the pagoda miraculously survived, becoming a poignant historical landmark. Today, the pagoda stands within the precincts of Ueno Zoo, making it accessible to visitors exploring Ueno Park. While it is no longer associated with an active temple, the structure is designated an important cultural property of Japan, preserving its legacy. Tourists often admire the pagoda for its architectural beauty and its role in Tokyo's history. Surrounded by lush greenery, it's especially picturesque during cherry blossom season, making it a favorite spot for photographers. It is an 8-minute walk from JR Ueno Station. The Meiji Shrine, also known as Meiji Jingu, is a serene Shinto shrine located in the heart of Tokyo near Harajuku and Yoyogi Park. Dedicated to Emperor Meiji and Empress Shokin, it was completed in 1920 to honor their contributions to Japan's modernization during the Meiji era from 1868 to 1912. The shrine is surrounded by a sprawling 170-acre forest with over 100,000 trees donated from across Japan, creating a tranquil oasis amid Tokyo's bustling urban environment. Visitors to Meiji Shrine enter through towering torii gates and walk along wide gravel paths that lead to the main shrine buildings. Along the way, they pass displays of sake barrels and wine casks offered in tribute to the emperor, symbolizing the blending of Japanese tradition and Western influence during the Meiji period. The shrine hosts traditional Shinto ceremonies, including weddings and seasonal festivals. Visitors can write wishes on wooden ema plaques or participate in prayer rituals. The peaceful atmosphere and cultural significance of Meiji Shrine make it a must-visit for those exploring Tokyo. It's also conveniently accessible via Harajuku and Meiji Jingume stations, making it an ideal addition to any Tokyo itinerary. Hakone, located in Kanagawa Prefecture, is one of Japan's most popular travel destinations, known for its stunning natural beauty, hot springs, and views of Mount Fuji. Situated within the Fuji-Hakone-Izu National Park, Hakone is an ideal getaway for those looking to immerse themselves in nature while enjoying traditional Japanese hospitality. Its proximity to Tokyo, just about an hour and a half by train, makes it a favorite spot for both day trips and weekend excursions. One of Hakone's highlights is Lake Ashi, Ashinoko, a serene crater lake formed after a volcanic eruption over 3,000 years ago. Visitors can take scenic boat cruises on the lake, often aboard replica pirate ships, while enjoying breathtaking views of Mount Fuji on clear days. The lake is also home to the iconic Hakone Shrine, known for its torii gate that appears to float on the water. Another must-see is the Owakudani Valley, an active volcanic area with steaming vents and bubbling sulfur pools. Here, visitors can sample black eggs boiled in sulfuric water, which are said to add 7 years to one's life. Hakone is also famous for its onsen, hot springs, with numerous ryokans, traditional inns, offering private and public baths. For art enthusiasts, the Hakone Open Air Museum showcases sculptures in a beautiful outdoor setting, alongside works by artists like Picasso. The Hakone Ropeway offers a unique aerial view of the volcanic landscape, connecting various attractions and providing an unforgettable experience. Whether it's the natural scenery, cultural sites, or relaxing hot springs, Hakone offers a perfect blend of tradition and tranquility. Osaka Castle is one of Japan's most famous landmarks, located in the Chuo ward of the city. Originally built in 1583 by Toyotomi Hideyoshi, a key figure in Japan's unification, the castle has seen several reconstructions due to wars and natural disasters. The castle's main tower is a modern museum, showcasing exhibits about Osaka's history and Hideyoshi's life. Visitors can climb to the observation deck for panoramic views of the city. Surrounding the castle is Nishinomaru Garden, a beautiful area filled with cherry trees, making it especially popular during Sakura season. Kiyomizudera, meaning pure water temple, was founded in 778 AD during the Heian period. It is one of the most famous temples in Japan and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The temple is perched on a hillside in eastern Kyoto, offering breathtaking views of the city and surrounding forests. The temple's highlight is its wooden stage, built without using a single nail, which extends over the hillside. This architectural marvel allows visitors to enjoy the changing seasons: lush green in summer, vibrant red in autumn, and pink cherry blossoms in spring. At the base of the temple is the Otowa waterfall, where visitors drink from 3 streams, each said to bring blessings, success in school, love, or longevity. Nearby, the Jishu Shrine, dedicated to the deity of love, features love stones that people walk between with their eyes closed to wish for romantic success. Maizuru, located in the northern part of Kyoto Prefecture along the Sea of Japan, is a charming coastal city known for its rich maritime history, stunning natural landscapes, and cultural attractions. Historically a key naval port, Maizuru played a significant role during the Meiji era and World War II, and its naval legacy continues to attract visitors today. The city is divided into eastern and western parts, each offering unique experiences for travelers. One of the highlights of Maizuru is the Maizuru Red Brick Warehouses, a series of well-preserved red brick structures that date back to the early 20th century. These warehouses were once used by the Imperial Japanese Navy, and now house museums, art galleries, and cafes. Visitors can explore the Maizuru World Brick Museum, which showcases brick architecture and culture from around the globe. For those interested in history, the Maizuru Repatriation Memorial Museum is a must-visit. It commemorates the return of Japanese soldiers and civilians from Siberian internment camps after World War II, and provides a moving insight into the city's humanitarian role. Nature lovers can enjoy the scenic beauty of Goro Sky Tower, which offers panoramic views of Maizuru Bay and its picturesque islands. The bay is dotted with small inlets and peninsulas, making it a fantastic spot for sightseeing cruises or simply relaxing by the water. Amanohashi Date, located in Miyazu Bay in Kyoto Prefecture, is celebrated as one of Japan's 3 most scenic views, Nihon Sankei. Its name, which translates to Bridge to Heaven, describes the stunning sandbar stretching approximately 3.6 kilometers across the bay, dotted with nearly 8,000 pine trees. This unique formation, resembling a bridge connecting the earth to the heavens, is a natural masterpiece that draws visitors year-round for its breathtaking beauty and cultural significance. One of the best ways to experience Amanohashi Date's beauty is from above. Visitors can take cable cars or chair lifts to the observation decks at Amanohashi Date View Land or Kasamatsu Park, located on opposite sides of the sandbar. These vantage points offer postcard-perfect views of the sandbar, surrounded by the shimmering waters of Miyazu Bay. A fun tradition here is the Mata no Zoki pose, where you bend over and look through your legs to see the sandbar appear as if it's floating into the sky. Visitors can walk or bike along the serene path through the sandbar, explore the historic Chionji Temple, or visit the sacred Motowa's Kono Shrine. With its stunning natural beauty and cultural depth, Amanohashi Date is a must-see destination blending tranquility and history. Sakurai Futamigara's couple stones, located in Itoshima, Fukuoka Prefecture, are 2 sacred rocks connected by a Shimenawa rope, symbolizing marriage and harmony. Known as Meoto Iwa, the stones stand in the sea near a picturesque torii gate, offering breathtaking views, especially during sunset, when the rocks align with the setting sun. A popular spot for couples and photographers, this site blends natural beauty with spiritual significance, making it a must-visit for those exploring Fukuoka's coastline. Shirahama Beach, located on the Izu Peninsula in Shizuoka Prefecture, is a stunning white sand beach renowned for its clear blue waters and relaxed atmosphere. Stretching about 800 meters, it is one of the most popular beaches in the region, perfect for swimming, surfing, and sunbathing during the summer months. The beach is also home to the iconic Shirahama Jinja Shrine, situated near the shoreline with a striking red torii gate that contrasts beautifully with the ocean backdrop. Visitors often combine a beach day with a visit to this shrine, which adds a cultural touch to the natural experience. Shirahama Beach is a must-visit for those seeking a mix of leisure and scenic beauty on the Izu Peninsula. Tadadohama Beach, located near Shimoda on the Izu Peninsula, is a popular destination for surfing enthusiasts and beachgoers alike. Known for its soft golden sand and clear blue waters, the beach stretches about 450 meters and is framed by lush green cliffs, creating a picturesque setting. It is especially famous for its consistent waves, making it a hotspot for surfers, both beginners and experienced riders. Toyokawa Inari in Toyokawa City, Aichi Prefecture, is a renowned shrine blending Shinto and Buddhist traditions. Dedicated to prosperity and good fortune, it features the Senbon Torii Gate Path and countless fox statues symbolizing prayers and offerings. Known for its serene gardens and unique mix of faiths, it's a must-visit for those seeking blessings for business, wealth, or personal success. Kinkakuji, or the Golden Pavilion, is a stunning Zen Buddhist temple in Kyoto, and one of Japan's most iconic landmarks. Originally built in 1397 as a retirement villa for Shogun Ashikaga Yoshimitsu, it was later converted into a temple. The top 2 floors are covered in gold leaf, reflecting beautifully on the surrounding pond, creating a breathtaking scene that changes with each season. The temple is part of a tranquil garden designed to represent paradise, with carefully placed rocks, trees, and water features. Visitors can stroll the garden paths, enjoy views of the pavilion from various angles, and immerse themselves in the peaceful atmosphere. Zuiryu-ji, located in Takaoka, Toyama Prefecture, is a renowned Zen Buddhist temple celebrated for its architectural beauty and historical significance. Built in the 17th century to honor Maeda Toshinaga, the second lord of the Kaga domain, the temple exemplifies the elegance of early Edo period architecture. It is designated as a national treasure for its exquisite layout and craftsmanship. The temple complex includes the Sanmon Gate, Butsuden Main Hall, and Hado Lecture Hall, all aligned in a symmetrical layout that reflects the principles of Zen Buddhism. The intricate woodwork, serene gardens, and peaceful atmosphere invite visitors to appreciate both the spiritual and artistic heritage of the site. Himeji Castle, located in Himeji, Hyogo Prefecture, is Japan's most iconic and well-preserved castle, often referred to as the White Heron Castle for its elegant, bird-like appearance. Originally built in 1333 and significantly expanded in the 17th century, this UNESCO World Heritage Site is a masterpiece of Japanese feudal architecture and a symbol of the country's rich history. Its brilliant white plastered walls and strategic design made it not only visually stunning, but also an impenetrable fortress. Visitors can explore the castle's 6-story main keep, which offers panoramic views of the surrounding area. The castle grounds include winding paths, defensive gates, and intricate stone walls that highlight its ingenious construction for wartime defense. Himeji Castle is particularly enchanting during cherry blossom season, when the grounds are filled with blooming sakura, making it one of Japan's most photographed landmarks. It's a must-see for anyone exploring Japan's historical and cultural heritage. Shinjuku Gyoen National Garden in Tokyo is a tranquil escape blending Japanese, English, and French garden styles. Spanning 144 acres, it's famous for stunning cherry blossoms in spring and vibrant autumn foliage. Highlights include a traditional tea house, tropical greenhouses, and serene walking paths, making it a must-visit for nature lovers seeking a peaceful retreat in the city. Lake Biwa in Shiga Prefecture is Japan's largest freshwater lake, known for its natural beauty and historical significance. It features the Lake Biwa Canal, built in the late 19th century to supply water to Kyoto, and now a scenic spot for boat tours, especially during cherry blossom season. With highlights like the iconic Shirahige Shrine and nearby cycling paths, Lake Biwa offers a serene escape with a mix of history, culture, and outdoor activities. Inokashira Park, located in Kichijoji, Tokyo, is a peaceful urban retreat known for its picturesque pond and lush greenery. Opened in 1917, it's one of Tokyo's oldest parks and a favorite spot for locals and tourists alike. Visitors can rent the paddle boats to explore Inokashira Pond, stroll through shaded walking paths, or enjoy cherry blossoms in spring. The park also houses the Ghibli Museum, showcasing the works of Studio Ghibli, and the Inokashira Benzaiten Shrine, dedicated to the goddess of music and arts. With its blend of nature and culture, Inokashira Park offers a tranquil escape from the city's bustle. Hiroshima Castle, also known as Rijo or Carp Castle, is a historic landmark in the heart of Hiroshima, originally built in 1589 by feudal lord Mori Terumoto. The castle served as a political and military center during the Edo period, but was destroyed in the atomic bombing of 1945. Reconstructed in 1958, its 5-story main tower now houses a museum dedicated to Hiroshima's history and samurai culture. The castle is surrounded by a moat and landscaped grounds, which are particularly beautiful during cherry blossom season. Visitors can explore exhibits on feudal life, ancient weaponry, and the castle's role in Hiroshima's past, while enjoying panoramic views of the city from the top floor. Hiroshima Castle is a powerful symbol of resilience and history, offering a blend of cultural education and scenic beauty. Oshino Hakai, located in Yamanashi Prefecture near Mount Fuji, is a scenic village famous for its 8 crystal-clear ponds fed by melted snow from the mountain. These ponds, considered sacred, have been naturally filtered over decades, resulting in some of the purest water in Japan. Surrounded by traditional thatched roof houses and lush greenery, the area offers stunning views of Mount Fuji, making it a favorite spot for photographers and nature enthusiasts. Each pond has its unique charm and historical significance, with some being used in Shinto purification rituals. Visitors can sample the fresh water, enjoy local delicacies like soba and grilled fish, and explore shops selling regional crafts and produce. Kiyosu Castle, located in Aichi Prefecture, is a beautifully reconstructed fortress with deep ties to Japan's feudal history. Originally built in 1394, it became a strategic stronghold during the Sengoku period, and was famously associated with Oda Nobunaga, one of Japan's most prominent warlords. Nobunaga used Kiyosu Castle as his base during his campaign to unify Japan. The current reconstruction, completed in 1989, features a 4-story keep housing a museum with artifacts like samurai armor, weapons, and historical documents. Visitors can enjoy panoramic views from the top floor and explore the nearby Kiyosu Park, which is especially beautiful during cherry blossom season. Imamiya Shrine, located in Kyoto, is a historic Shinto shrine dating back to the early 10th century. Originally built to protect the area from disease and misfortune, it remains a significant spiritual site for locals seeking blessings for health, longevity, and prosperity. The shrine is known for its Aomatsu, green pine, a sacred tree believed to bring good fortune, and the Ahokashi-san, a small talisman that visitors rub for good health. Nearby, the shrine's Otabe Shrine is dedicated to matchmaking, attracting many who pray for romantic success. Visitors can also enjoy aburi mochi, a traditional roasted rice cake sold by vendors near the shrine. Koshoji, a Shingon Buddhist temple located in Kyoto, is a serene and historically significant temple founded in 1233 by the monk Kukai Kobo Daishi, the founder of Shingon Buddhism. Nestled in a tranquil setting, the temple is renowned for its peaceful atmosphere, traditional architecture, and its role as a center for spiritual practice and meditation. Visitors can admire the Tahodo Pagoda, a two-storied structure representing the fusion of spiritual and earthly realms, and stroll through the meticulously maintained gardens, which are especially beautiful during the autumn foliage season. The temple also offers insight into Shingon Buddhist teachings and practices, making it a meaningful stop for those seeking a deeper understanding of Japan's spiritual traditions and history. Kamigamo Shrine in Kyoto is one of Japan's oldest Shinto shrines, dating back to the 7th century, dedicated to Kamo Wake Ikazuchi, the god of thunder. It plays a key role in Kyoto's Aoi Matsuri, one of the city's major festivals. The shrine's serene grounds feature traditional architecture, sacred sand cones symbolizing purification, and beautiful gardens. Its historical and cultural significance make it a must-visit for those exploring Kyoto's heritage. Japan's beauty is truly unparalleled, offering a harmonious blend of ancient traditions, breathtaking natural wonders, and vibrant modern culture. From historic temples and majestic castles to serene gardens and picturesque landscapes, the attractions we've shared are just a glimpse of what this incredible country has to offer. Whether you're drawn to its rich history, stunning scenery, or unique experiences, Japan has something for everyone. If you enjoyed this journey through Japan's highlights, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with fellow travelers. Let us know in the comments which destination you'd love to visit, and we'll see you in our next adventure.